My dear friends, the dogma of Mary's Assumption teaches that Mary is now the Queen of Heaven. Regina Coeli, in Tagalog, Reyna ng Langit. In Visayan, Rayna sa Langit. And it also teaches that there exists a future life with God. Our hope for a heavenly future is assured. There is heaven to look forward to, and heaven is our true home. Mary's Assumption reminds us, abot kamay na natin ang langit. May Mary, the Queen of Heaven, bring our prayers and petitions with her when she goes to heaven as we celebrate